We begin this evening with news of a tragedy in St. Catherine. A mother and her teen daughter were discovered dead in their home today. The police have identified the deceased as 29 years old Tara Pinnock, a St. Catherine-based primary school teacher, and 14-year-old Collie Wright. According to the police, the bodies were found with multiple stab wounds.
The premises was securely locked when the bodies were discovered, so we believe that the perpetrator had easy access to these premises, and we believe that they were known to the deceased, both deceased. And at this time, the St. Catherine North CIB is asking Mr. Brandon Main, a taxi operator who plies the Nago's Head to Spanish Town route, to immediately turn himself over to the police. We believe that he can assist us with this investigation.
Now, preliminary reports suggest the killing is a result of a domestic dispute. Meanwhile, the deceased teen's father says she'd been missing for 2 days.
I last me talk to her. I call her on my phone and find out if she's okay. Yeah. And she come look for me Sunday gone. Me don't know if they have any affliction or me don't know. But when me call her, she never tell me so she have no affliction. Which way you know, man and woman, we keep doing them thing. Which way we not go say that and we not go say that neither, because we don't know. Me have to just lean up, because it pain. I mean, I want to put out a gun, like, you understand me? And the man, so if you just see if you can hold the faith. So me I try if you hold the faith, if you go further with the argument.